Okay, what do we do with a lot of tortilla soft taco that's about to expire? So let's see, what can we do? We can make it into chips. So what I do is I'm going to cut some of this, cut this into tortilla chips. Here you go. And then later on we'll bake it. There you go. So we'll see. We'll bake it for about probably 10 minutes or so. Here you go. So we'll have fresh tortilla chips. Okay. Just make it into little tortilla chips like this. I think that's it for now. Let me see, here you go. Put it like this, and you'll have really fresh tortillas chips. There you go. So I think the oven is ready. Okay, so here we go. It's ready. Let's cook it for about 10 minutes. Maybe we can cut a few more later. Okay, in the meantime, here's a homemade guacamole I made. It's almost overripe avocado, and I added cilantro and pineapple and lots of cilantro and a chili pepper. So we'll see how this one tastes with the fresh tortilla chips later on. Okay, the chips done. There you go. Looks crunchy. Okay, let's take it out. So here's the baked tortilla soft taco. Looks very crunchy. Let me try. Crunchy. Ready to eat. Fresh from the oven. Hot off from the oven. So here you go. Fresh tortilla chips. Just baked out of soft taco. And my homemade guacamole dip. Enjoy. Let's try. There you go. Ooh. Look at a big chunk of here. Ang sarap.